What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sean and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a poster with Adobe Spark. If you like my content, like and subscribe and click the bell icon for more content. So let's go. To make the process more easier, we'll be making this poster with a template. On your Adobe Spark homepage, you'll see a couple of options to start a new project. This shows a limited number of options. To view more options, we have to click View All. There will be a lot of options like web page, graphics and video. Today, we'll be focusing on the graphics aspect of Adobe Spark. So now let's search for a template. Now under graphics also there are many options. So let's search for poster. And now we can see many options. So let's select a template that looks good. I think this template looks good. So let's select it. Once the project loads, we can edit it. Now this poster will be about environment conservation. So I'll edit the text, add icons and pictures based on the environment. First, we'll change the picture. To change the picture, we have to first delete the current pictures. So we'll start deleting the pictures one by one. And now after we delete all the pictures, we should click the plus icon, add a photo and find free photos. So since my topic is environment conservation, I'll be searching environment. So I found this, I'll check for a photo. Okay, so this photo is good. So we'll add that to the poster. And then we'll click move freely and that will add the photo to our poster. Now we can edit the shape of the photo as well. To do that, we have to click shape crop and then select the shape we want. So I'll crop with this diamond or kite shape. And then we'll resize the image. And then we'll bring it to the center. Once we have added the picture, we can edit the text. To edit the text, we can click the text and then click the pencil icon. And then we can type what we want. So I'll add environment conservation. And then click done. And now we can change the font also. Change the font, we have to click the text. And then we can select the text we want. You can select the text according to your poster. So I'll be selecting this font. And now since this is a pre-made template, there'll be a lot of unwanted text. So to delete the text, we can just select the text. And then click the delete icon. And then so we'll do the same for all the text. Delete and then we'll click delete again. And then we'll click delete. So now we'll add an icon. To add an icon we have to click the plus icon. And then select icon. So I'll be searching for environment. And we'll select a good icon. So I'll select this icon and I'll add that to my poster. So we'll just resize this and move it to the side. Now we'll add a quote by Mahatma Gandhi. To add a quote, we can click the plus icon and then we can select text. And then since I've copied it to my clipboard, I can just paste it and then click done. You can add whatever you want the same way I did. Okay, so we have successfully completed the poster and now we can click download to download the poster we just made. And then we can click solid color. And then as you can see, it has started downloading and the download is also complete. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching. This is Sean signing off.